And there was another case that I worked more directly with the client from start to finish. It was a pretty bad accident. Due to the accident, he had to get knee surgery. He lost his job. He was a truck driver. He was living out of his car for, I think it was like 2 or 3 months. And we were actually able to settle the claim. I think it was like more than 50% of the policy. It was a big policy. It definitely felt good to be able to get him the correct compensation for the accident after it impacted his life in a negative way, for so long. So that was one of the cases that I really felt proud of. It was really good being able to help him from start to finish and just being able to get him compensated accordingly. My role at Uriarte is I am one of the demand negotiators. So pretty much once a client finishes treating, we go ahead and send the demand to the tortfeasor insurance, and I'm one of the people involved in negotiating the claims. Something that a client could expect is constant communication, giving them updates when the demand is sent, when an insurance provides us with an offer, and for us to pretty much just educate the clients on the further steps after the demand is sent. So the highest case that I've settled was recently, it was for $250,000. There were 2 clients. One of them I wasn't really involved in. It was a case I was in litigation. The client unfortunately was not very well off, and his insurance company, we went after his pretty much giving us a hard time, denying coverage. The attorney on file was George. I worked alongside him during the closing stages. The case is being valued at what the insurance is offering us and what we value the case at.